Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. There are several Firestick apps, especially third-party ones, that are completely incompatible with Firestick Remote or don't play nice with it. And while tools like Mouse Toggle or ADB Mouse Keyboard can help, not every Firestick model support them. That's where a Bluetooth mouse can come in handy. A Bluetooth mouse provides more accuracy and control, especially when navigating complex menus. You almost feel like using a desktop computer. Today, I'm going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your Firestick. But before moving forward, smash the subscribe button, like the video, and press the bell icon. Also consider supporting the channel by hitting the super thanks button right below. It helps me keep this channel growing and continue to bring you all the content you love. To get started, all you need is just a compatible Bluetooth mouse. We are using Logitech MX Master 3S. You may use this on your Firestick or choose any other suitable Bluetooth mouse from our blog. First, turn on the mouse. Once done, go to Settings on your Firestick home screen. Select Controllers and Bluetooth Devices. Choose Other Bluetooth Devices and then tap Add Bluetooth Devices. Now Firestick will start searching for your Bluetooth mouse. Once it shows up, simply select it and it will be paired to your Firestick in no time. There you go. Now you can use any Firestick app with Bluetooth mouse and enjoy hassle-free navigation.
Before you go, make sure to check out our website firestickhacks.com where we get you the latest Firestick updates, tips, tricks, and expert guides to enhance your streaming experience. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and latest Firestick apps.